Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am very happy to see you here today. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. Today, I will tell you a simple but meaningful story. This story is about two friends. It is about friendship, fear, and truth. It is also about how we understand people in difficult times. Please listen carefully. The words are very easy. The sentences are short. You can listen, understand, and learn English slowly. Do not hurry. Do not worry. Just relax your mind and enjoy the story. Now, let us begin. Once upon a time, there were two good friends. They lived in a small village near a big jungle. The village was simple and quiet. People knew each other and helped each other. The two friends grew up together. They trusted each other and shared everything. One morning, they decided to walk through the jungle together. They wanted to reach another village. The jungle path was shorter. They also wanted to enjoy the beauty of nature. The weather was nice. The sky was blue and clear. The sun was soft and warm. Birds were singing sweet songs. The leaves moved gently in the wind. The jungle looked green and peaceful. They walked slowly. They talked and laughed. They shared small stories. They remembered their childhood days. They felt happy and relaxed. They believed they were safe together. After some time, suddenly, they heard a loud sound. The sound was deep and scary. It came from behind them. It was not the sound of birds. It was not the sound of wind. They stopped walking. Their smiles disappeared. Their hearts started beating fast. They felt fear inside. Slowly, they turned back. To their surprise, they saw a big tiger running toward them. The tiger was very strong. Its eyes were sharp and angry. Its teeth were long and white. Its body moved fast. It looked very dangerous. Both friends became very afraid. Their legs felt weak. Their hands started shaking. They did not know what to do. One friend knew how to climb a tree. He did not think. He did not speak. He just ran. He climbed up a tall tree very fast. He held the branches tightly. He sat on a strong branch. He hid himself. He did not look down. But the other friend did not know how to climb a tree. He tried to climb. He failed again and again. He felt helpless and alone. His eyes filled with tears. His body shook with fear. Then he remembered something important. He remembered the words of an old man from the village. The old man once said, "Wild animals do not touch dead people." This thought gave him a little hope. So he slowly lay down on the ground. The ground was cold and hard. He closed his eyes tightly. He stopped moving. He held his breath. He pretended to be dead. Inside his heart, he prayed silently. The tiger came close. It walked around him. It smelled his face. It smelled his body. Its hot breath touched his skin. The moment felt very long and painful. His heart wanted to jump out, but his body stayed still. After some time, the tiger thought he was dead. It lost interest. Slowly, the tiger turned away. Step by step, it walked back into the jungle. The jungle became quiet again. Only the sound of the wind was there. The birds slowly started singing again. After a while, the friend in the tree looked around. He saw that the tiger was gone. He slowly climbed down from the tree. He went near his friend and asked, "My friend, what did the tiger say in your ear?" The other friend slowly opened his eyes. He stood up with weak legs. He cleaned the dust from his clothes. He looked at his friend calmly. Then he smiled softly and said, "The tiger told me not to trust a friend who leaves you in danger." The words were simple, but the lesson was very deep. True friendship shows itself in hard times. So, my dear friends, this is the end of today's story. I hope you enjoyed this story. I hope you understood every part. I hope the message touched your heart. I hope it made you think for a moment. I hope it gave you a little peace inside. This story teaches us a very important lesson about life and friendship. It reminds us to choose our friends wisely. In good times, many people stay with us. They laugh with us. They talk with us. They walk with us. They sit with us and share happy moments. They enjoy our success and our smiles. They feel happy when we are happy. But in bad times, only true friends stay. Only real friends help us. Only real friends do not leave us alone. They stand beside us when life becomes hard. They support us when we feel weak. They give us strength with their presence. They listen to us without judging us. This story also helps us learn English. Learning English is a journey. It takes time and patience. You do not need big words. You do not need difficult sentences. Easy English is enough. Simple words can carry deep meaning. Clear words build clear confidence. Try to read this story again. Read it slowly and clearly. Try to speak it with confidence. Try to feel every sentence. Practice 1 or 2 sentences every day. Small practice is better than no practice. Slow practice brings big improvement. Daily effort brings real change. Do not feel afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes help us grow. Every mistake makes you stronger. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every day of practice makes you better. Every step moves you forward. If you liked this story, please like the video. Your like supports the channel. Please share it with your friends and family. Sharing helps others learn too. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support gives me motivation. Your support helps this channel grow. New stories will come. New lessons will come. New words will come. New confidence will come. And together, we will improve our English step by step, one day at a time, one sentence at a time. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Thank you for your patience and time. Take care of yourself. Take care of your loved ones. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. Keep smiling. See you in the next video.